students, it's me, Mrs. Spinner, and I'm going to go over with you your assignment for the day. So I'm in today's module on Canvas, and I want to go over the graphic organizer for paragraph 3. So when you click it, it's going to look like this. So today we're working on our contrast paragraph. So yesterday we worked on our paragraph that shows the similarities or the things that mean the same. And today we're going to work on what are the differences between the boys. So again, we're going to write in complete sentences. We're going to make sure that we're citing our textual evidence properly. So on the left-hand column, it tells you the different pieces you need. And these pieces are going to be what I am looking for when I'm grading your essay. This will either be a quiz or a test grade, the essay in its entirety, because we've been working on it for like the whole week, right? So it states the first sentence is going to address the part of the claim that though they are similar, one of the boys is a better fighter. So I started this for you. I said, because of the similarities, both boys could be the champion. However, blank should be declared the champion. So this is where you're going to put your claim of who you think should have won the fight. Because remember, with the ending of our story, we don't have a clear-cut like winner to our fight, right? Okay, so you're going to put whoever you think is the winner there. Then you need to introduce and cite a piece of evidence that proves that whoever you claimed was the better fighter is. So you're going to put blank, so Antonio or Felix should be declared champion because, and then you're going to put your evidence in quotes, parenthesis, author last name, which is Thomas, page number, and parenthesis, period, okay? So you're going to find your piece of evidence. Remember, you want your evidence between 2 to 3 sentences, and you want it relevant. So you want a piece of evidence that talks about who is the better fighter. So again, make sure that it talks about their differences and who is the better fighter. Then in your own words, in the third box, you're going to explain why your evidence, why what you just put here shows that Antonio or Felix is a better fighter. Like, what about them? So that's what you're going to put here. And then it's the same format, just like we did yesterday with the compare or the alike paragraph. We're doing the same format. So it's citing evidence, explaining evidence, citing evidence, explaining evidence. So here, you're going to give me a second piece of evidence as to why that person, whether again, Antonio or Felix, should be declared champion. So it says, in addition, blank should be declared champion because, and then you're going to put your evidence there. Again, please, please, please properly cite it. And then again, in your own words, explain how that piece of evidence clearly shows that that boy should have been the winner. Lastly, you're going to have a concluding sentence. So again, you want to reiterate what you put for your main sentence or what your claim was. So your claim is, because of the similarities, both boys could be champion. However, this fighter, whether again it's Antonio or Felix, should have been champion. So you're going to restate that in different words here. So that is your paragraph 3. Now there is also a rubric. So my students that are in person today, they are going to the library and they are working on stations. So if you are hybrid at home or if you're fully remote, you won't have that opportunity. So I wanted to put this essay rubric on there just to show you what that looks like. So if you click it, it's a PDF of your rubric. It's the same rubric that I will use to grade you. So you can do this yourself, or if you're at home, if you have a parent or brother or sister who would like to help you, have them go through your paper and make sure that for at least your first 3 paragraphs, because today you should have your introductory paragraph done, your comparison and your contrast done, make sure that you have all of these pieces. So I know it seems like a lot, but if you go through it, you can make sure that you have an A paper if you have all of these things, right? So the students, like I said, who are in class are going to be peer editing. So they're going to trade with a partner with like a paragraph, maybe 2, depending on time. And they're going to peer edit, but you can self-edit or again, peer edit at home. So that is what that looks like. And then if we go back to the module, we also have a submission tab for the paragraph 3 graphic organizer. So this is a submission tab for the third paragraph graphic organizer. And then here's your submission tab for paragraph 2. So yesterday, all you had to complete was the paragraph 2 graphic organizer. I didn't have you turn in your first one because we basically wrote your introductory paragraph for you, and you practiced introductory paragraphs a lot with Ricky Tikki Tavi. So I hope this was helpful. Please, please, please make sure you read all directions fully. And if you have questions, as always, feel free to email. All right, guys, good luck. And yeah, great job so far.